Hi guys, it's Miss Shearhart here, and today I'm going to be talking about molar mass so that you're able to do this worksheet here. Okay, and I'll do the first one with you after I tell you how we're going to use a new conversion factor called molar mass. Okay, so molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of anything. So if we look on the periodic table and we find beryllium, so the beryllium has a molar mass of 9.01, and that's in units of grams per mole. So the molar mass of beryllium equals 9.01 grams per mole. The molar mass of carbon equals, so we go in and we find carbon on the periodic table, and it's 12.01 grams per mole. So 12.01 grams per mole. The molar mass of a compound like water, so the molar mass of H2O, we have to add up 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Bert, get down. Bert wants to be in the video. Okay, so we look up hydrogen, and hydrogen has a molar mass of, go up here Alex, 1.01. So there's 2 hydrogens at 1.01 and 1 oxygen over here. That's 16.00, and we're going to always have 2 decimal places for all of our elements, even if our periodic tables have more decimal places. So altogether, that's 18.02 grams per mole. So how I did that is I added together 1.01 plus 1.01 plus 16.00, and that's what gave me the 18.02 grams per mole. I added all the molar masses for 2 hydrogens plus 1 oxygen. Bert, get down. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to do the worksheet. Okay, so we're going to do number 1A. Okay, so just go down here, Alex. Oops. Okay, so it's asking to calculate the number of moles of 225 grams of aspirin, which is C9H8O4. Okay, so we were looking for the number of moles. So we're going to set this up like we did before. Number of moles equals, what do we know? We know that there's 225 grams of C9H8O4. We're always going to multiply by a conversion factor just like we did before. So our conversion factor has to have grams on the bottom and has to have moles on the top, so that grams will cancel out and I'll be left with moles because that's what I'm looking for. So I need the molar mass of C9H8O4. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to add together 9 carbons. So 9 times 12.01, whoops, 9 times 12.01 plus 8 hydrogens. So plus 8 times 1.01 plus 4 oxygens, so 4 times 16.00. So that's 180.17. Okay, so now I'm ready to do the calculation. So now I'm going to do 225 times 1 divided by 180.17. So 225 times 1 does nothing, so you can always skip that, divided by 180.17. And that gives me 1.2488, etc., etc. But because I only have 3 significant figures here, I have 5 significant figures here. My answer can only have 3, so my answer is 1.25 moles. Okay, so our molar mass, grams per mole, was written upside down, where the grams at the bottom, the moles on top, because I had my grams here. So just like we were doing before, whatever's on the top has to be at the bottom so that they will cancel. All right, so now you guys should be able to continue on and do the rest of that pink worksheet and check your answers at the bottom. See you next time.